Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Thursday, the 11th of November 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets, economics and the world of business today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 closed down 0.6% today to finish at 7,382 points, following a pretty weak lead from Wall Street. There were some big drops among the large caps. CSL was off 2.4%, National Australia Bank was down 1.6%, and Wesfarmers was 1.4% lower. Afterpay, Woodside Petroleum and James Hardie Industries all lost 2% or more. But there was plenty going on. Fortescue Metals jumped more than 8%, in part because Chief Executive Elizabeth Gaines said Fortescue Future Industries, the company's green initiative, had a pot of unspent money for renewable projects. Chalice Mining was up another 9.6% following Tuesday's announcement that it had made the biggest nickel discovery in Australian history. Higher iron ore prices sent BHP and Rio Tinto shares more than 2% higher. The gold stocks did well too, after US inflation figures overnight printed higher than expected. Gold is a store of value, so if prices are rising, investors like the precious metal to put their money into. Aerial mapping group Nearmap's share price tumbled 12.3% today after it said it would spend about $30 million in cash this financial year to support growth. It was easily the worst performer of the top 200. Cloud accounting group Xero's share price fell more than 6% after it said it had made a loss for the 6 months to the end of September on the back of higher spending on sales, marketing and product development. Orica said it had made a $174 million loss in the year to the end of October, saying it was hit hard by the COVID-induced slowdown in mining activity, China's ban on Australian coal imports and soaring costs of ammonia, which is a raw material for explosives. In economic news, the unemployment rate in October jumped to 5.2%, up from 4.6% in September. Market economists had expected a 50,000 rise in jobs across the country. In fact, there was actually a fall of 46,000 jobs. The Aussie dollar is buying a little over 73 US cents, and recapping Wall Street, a sharp sell-off in late afternoon trading led all the major indices lower. It came after the release of higher than expected inflation figures in the world's biggest economy. Of particular note on the market this morning was the performance of US electric truck maker Rivian, which debuted on Wall Street and ended the day worth more than Ford or General Motors. Rivian is backed by Amazon and Ford and has made less than 200 vehicles. It was quite an opening day and just shows how popular EV makers are at the moment. That's it for the afternoon market report for Thursday, the 11th of November 2021. Join Michael Thompson and I tomorrow morning for the Friday edition of Fear and Greed. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.